there, I'm Jennifer from Travelers Influencers, and today I'm going to be making green juice. So I use spinach, kale, celery, ginger and cucumber. But if you want it a bit sweeter, you can add beetroot or carrots. And also what I like to add to mine is spirulina, but that's just my personal preference. I'm just about to wash my vegetables before I start chopping them. I do chop up my spinach. You don't have to, but I do cut it up, chop it a bit fine. I find that I get more out of the juice rather than just put it in whole like that. And I would recommend that you use the bicarbonate of soda when washing it, and use a vegetable scrub brush to wash your cucumber. So I have everything here ready to wash and start chopping up. And you may be wondering about the quantity, but I use the big packs, the full pack, because it's not just for me, it's for me and my hubby, and we like to drink quite a bit of it. So it's up to you. You'll work it out. Probably a handful of each core of the cucumber, probably 2 sticks of the celery would do for a good size, probably a pint glass. Yeah, so don't really stress too much about the quantity. And you see it's supposed to be good anyway for vitamin A's and B's and iodine and protein. So I just add a drop of water. Okay, it doesn't look really appealing, but honestly it's great. It's really good for you. So I just whisk it. You can just stir it with a spoon if you want to. And that's it. So there we have the 2 juices. We have the green juice and the green juice with the beetroot in it. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel.